Department of Ripley from DBS Institute of Technology. Today, we discuss about the fourth unit of network signals and systems. So, the unit name of the system, the unit name is graph theory. So, under this graph theory, what are the different contents of the graph theory out there? First one, it is network topology. What is the meaning of this network topology? And then what is the incidence matrix, and what is tie set matrix, and what is cut set matrix, and what is image and iterative impedances. So under this network topology, generally a network analysis is nothing but for finding unknown branch currents and voltages of various branches. So when you have to find this unknown parameters by using different network simplification networks. Generally, we all see that what are the network simplification networks means Kirchhoff's voltage law, Kirchhoff's current law, and loop analysis like means mesh analysis, star delta transformations, and source transformation techniques also. By using this mesh analysis and nodal analysis are the most finding that means most of the techniques for the analysis of a networks. But the basic disadvantages in these techniques is to the selection of unknown variables is difficult. So the number of unknown variables as the networks becomes complicated. Hence, in such cases, the network analysis is very simple by using this concept of this network topology. Before going to the how to solve this network topology, we have discussed about the some of the definitions of this network topology. So, the first one, that is network. What is network topology? So network is formed by connection of elements at the nodes. So it is a combination of the elements. That means about the total number of the geometric structure of a network. So it is a network that is the interconnection of various network elements which are either active elements or passive elements. That means the total interconnection of the elements is nothing but the network. So generally, that means active and passive means there is a resistor, inductor and capacitor, and voltage sources and current sources must be there. So we have the combination, the interconnection of the different active and passive elements is nothing but the network. So next, what is topology? Topology is the layout of arrangement of elements. When you have to draw the any layout of this network, we have termed it as the topology. That is nothing but network topology. Next, what is the node? Node means it is the interconnection of between the two or more branches. Even any point meet at two or more points, there is a number of elements meet at two or more points is nothing but the node. So that means number of line segments or number of branches meet at one point is nothing but the node. Next, what is a branch? A line segment joined between the two nodes is nothing but the branch. A line segment joined between the two nodes is nothing but a branch. Next, what is some of the definitions are? So that means when you have to take in the network topology, network means it is a form of the interconnection of the elements. That is either it will be the active or it will be the passive, will be connected at a different elements will be connected, then it is called network. Topology means topology is a layout of arrangement of the elements. So then what is the node means? A node is the connection point between two or more branches is nothing but the node. And what is a branch means? A branch is a line segment joined between the two nodes is nothing but the branch. And some of the definitions of this graph theory is, first you have to know what is graph. A graph means a graph is defined as collection of various nodes and branches. Collection of various nodes and branches is nothing but a graph. That means if there is a number of elements must be there, either it will be the active elements or it will be the passive elements are there. Simply you have to represent in the form of the line segment. If suppose one resistor will be connected to the two nodes, generally you have to eliminate that resistor and simply you draw that line. If suppose any capacitor or inductor, whatever